To start the wild game ordering process, our first step is to simply click the Start Order button. Once we've selected the Start Order button, up will prompt the customer capturing customer information. We can either enter a customer number or we can simply search through our customer database. The keyword search allows us to very quickly find a specific customer. If the customer is not in our database, we simply click the Add button, assign a customer number, and capture any demographic information that we want to capture. Once we'd enter our customer information, it prompts for billing information. It will copy the customer table. We can also have multiple shipping and or billing addresses. Next, it prompts to what type of processing we're going to be doing. In this scenario, we're going to be processing deer. We simply click the Deer Processing button. Up will prompt what we call profile fields. This is valuable information that we can capture on an order-specific standpoint. Things like trim weight, dress weight, the live weight, if we want to capture curing weight, the type of game, any tag, license, or freezer information. We can also capture request date and a done date. Once we've captured our relative information, we click the OK button. This is going to bring us to the sausage making page. We have the ability, when we select our specific sausage, our customer can either order by the pound or by the percentage of the total trim that we have available. In this scenario, Eddie would like how many pounds of venison summer sausage?
Well, 6 pounds.
Would you like some jalapeno cheddar summer sausage?
Yeah, I like the cheddar sausage. We get 10 pounds of that.
As we build our order process, we have a check weight button. When we click on this button and click OK, what it's doing is it's taking a look at the amount of trim weight we have available, and then it's giving us a ballpark pounds remaining from an order process. We do have the ability to, once we've weighed the trim weight, make an adjustment and it will adjust the pounds remaining for us. In this scenario, we have 34.3 pounds remaining. Edwin Noriega, what other sausage would you like?
Can I try the venison cheddar wurst sausage?
How many pounds, sir?
Let's make 10 pounds of that.
Okay. How about our world famous venison wild rice sausage?
You know what? Let me just get 2 pounds of that. I'm not too sure of that one.
Again, if we hit the check weight button and we hit OK, it will tell us the pounds that we have remaining. Since Eddie's a huge fan of the venison teriyaki flats, he wants the rest of the order in the teriyaki flats. So we're going to say 100% of the remaining trim weight in the venison teriyaki flats. You can see if we click the check weight button and hit OK, it will tell us that we no longer have any more trim to build on this order.
That I'm a big fan of sausage.
At this time, we can tender out once we've completed the order. It's going to print out an invoice, and on this invoice it's going to have the customer information to who we sold it to. It's going to have our captured information on the right hand side, you can see here, all the way from ticket date, the weight information, the order number, if we did capture tag, license and freezer information. Also, if we wanted to do any curing, that is available on this invoice as well. You can see it's going to have any sales rep or customer information, and then our request date in the middle. Below, it's going to list the quantity, what type of unit, the description, the item, our price and extended price. On the bottom, we're going to have a signature line. This is to ensure as we weigh the trim, the prices are subject to change once we have determined the exact weight of the trim provided. And it will give us our balance due. These forms are completely customizable. We also have what we call a pick list or cutting instructions for the butcher. Again, it's going to have the individual, the customer information, the sold to information. And it's also going to have the quantities and the descriptions of what we have to process. We now can close out and we're ready to take our next order.